We're about to do a muffler and resonator delete on it. We're gonna let you guys hear it before. This is what it sounds before, with everything still bone stock on it. We'll let you guys hear it after. So now that we just finished it, we did a muffler and resonator delete on this RT. Still got the stock converters as usual, X-pipe. We did a muffler, mid-muffler or resonator delete, and muffler or rear muffler delete. Right there, right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's how you do them. Go ahead. Sounds much better. Nice and open. The Dodgers never disappoint. As you guys can see, we do a lot of these. We love the sound of them. Bring in the Camaro.